Welcome to Outlaw Woodworking. You know, one of the problems with the AMS, so here's the AMS by Bambu Labs, and inside of here you can see, flip that up. So right there you got two of these. You got one under these two rolls over here, and then you got one right here. But the problem is, if you look at them, so they have these little packages, and you can see this one, they change colors, and they start out where they're loose inside there, and once they absorb a bunch of moisture they basically go bad. So you're constantly having to change these. And what I want to do is I want to create, and I think someone's already done it, so we're going to try to find one on Maker's World, but I think we could just get a pouch, like a removable one, where we could have loose desiccant in there, and then we could also buy the desiccant on Amazon, like in gallon jars, and be able to have a sustainable, refillable thing that should work pretty good. Anyway, let's go over to Maker's World and see what we can find over there, and then we'll see if we can't make something.
There he goes, it's a working man. He's trying to make a living any way he can, and he'll break his back for $1 or $2. Oh, there ain't no shame in what he do. Oh, work it out.
Okay, here we are over at Maker's World. Now, we're going to look for something for the X1 carbon. So up here we'll type in X1 carbon. Bambu Lab right there. And it should pull up everything that, so here you can see some poop shoots. People have already designed quite a bit of stuff in here. Now what we want to find is something that'll hold desiccant material. Desiccant dry box. Let's just type that in. Let's see what it comes up. Desiccant. There you go. Desiccant box for AMS. Okay, here's what we were looking for right here, I believe. No spool. Oh no, here it is right here. Yeah, finally we found the right spot, I believe. So here, yeah, this is what I'm looking for. So there's the original lid right there, but here's what we're going to print that'll go inside of that tray. And I believe Bambu Lab AMS and desiccant tray with OEM lid. We don't really need the lid. Looks like it prints. There's the two. That's what I want right there. So I could fill these up, and then it'll be reusable. And so let's go back right here. Whoops. See if there's any. Oh, here we go. Is this the one I'm looking? This might be the one I'm looking for right here. 2 trays with multicolor walls. This is a remix. All I did was modify his file and add the airflow to dry the desiccant evenly and efficiently. No support needed. Original file. That is actually exactly what I'm looking for right there. And I like that he redid it a little bit, and it's got the Bambu logo in it. So let's go ahead and try this one. Yeah, I don't know if I would print it. I'll probably print it in black, just because the AMS is black inside there. Yeah, so this was remixed by DRE Drager01. Easily dryable desiccant tray. Let's go ahead and download this file, and I will see you over it at Bambu Studio, and we'll see if we can't get this thing printing. So here's these two. Now, I would assume that this one here needs to be flipped over. Otherwise it would have to have supports underneath it. So we're going to go ahead and rotate that one. And we'll do it on the green, the y-axis, 180 degrees. That should flip it right over. Hit enter, and there it is. Okay, let's take a look at how they're laid out on here. Yeah, that one's no good because it's in space right there. So we need to rotate that. Okay, so let me show you what I did wrong here. So this is the way they came in, like this. And you can see this one came in at an angle. Now if I go up here and I rotate that, and I'm trying to rotate it all around, and I'm trying to eyeball it on that plate and get it as flat as I can right there. And I managed to, I thought that I had that right where it was supposed to be, but it didn't go. It wasn't perfect, and it didn't make my print perfect. So what you really are supposed to do in this situation is go right up here to right here, lay on face. Click on that, select your face. This is the face. So if you look, we want this face to be flat on the plate. So we click that, and it automatically rotated it over. Super easy, super fast, and we know that it's flush on the plate. Now the other thing that you can do, we know we need 2 of these. So you basically can click on one, right click on your mouse, hit clone, clone one, and add one. Same with the other recess part, hit clone and add one. And it'll put it in the optimal place. And then just basically, slice your plate, check, make sure you got the right printer and textured plate, clean your plate ahead of time. It says it needs support, but it didn't need any. Sometimes they say that anyway. So this is going to take 1 hour and 48 minutes, and I'll send it over to the printer. And I'll show you the failed piece that I first printed, rotating this the wrong way. And then I'll also show you the good piece. So this is the first failed piece. Actually, the two recess boxes worked perfect. It was the 2 lids that worked wrong. And then this black one, I printed 2 of these, and they were perfect. And here you can see the first layer of the failed one, because it wasn't angled properly onto the plate. And then when I redid it, I printed it in black, and you can see the top layer is perfect on this one. And here you can see them both together. It kind of looks cool, red and black. Okay, before we fill these up, we're going to do a little test fit. So here you can see the ones we built. And they've got their own lids. So you pretty much can do away with these other lids and just have these. So these look like they fit real good. I'm going to fill them up, and let's get them put in there. Here you can see one of them filled up with the Desiccant. And these are reusable. You can actually take these out every once in a while and microwave them and get them back in their fighting condition. There you can see I'm going to put this lid on. And there's the first one filled up. Put that in there. There's the second one. And there you go. So way better than the gel packs that were in there before. Anyway, I'm going to put these rolls in. I got another thing to print. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you next time. Later.
There he goes, it's a working man.